Good afternoon. How are you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Okay, what do you do? What kind of business do you do? 3D printing. Are you what 3D printing? Okay. How long have you been doing that business? Okay. Do you set up yourself or is it your family business? Okay, means do you set up your business at residence or a rent house? Okay, have you hired any kind of worker, skillful worker, unskilled worker? Okay, then I think it is a big business because you have hired seven workers, right? Eight workers. Okay. Then, Miss, right now you are an entrepreneur, right? How you think to set up your business in this kind of business? Okay, so nice. Then, do you belong to business family or how did you know about this kind of business? Okay, through your friend, right? Okay, so nice. Then you tell, do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with the co-learner? O- Okay. How long have you been using this platform? Almost 1 year. Okay. And how much amount have you paid through platform because you are a premium user? Okay. Then what's your qualification? Okay. Then, do you want to join any kind of government private sector, any job, or do you only want to be entrepreneur for long your life, full life? Oh, okay. Have you invested your own money or have you taken loan from government? Okay, means government scheme. Have you means taken that loan or what else? Okay, so nice. And how many languages do you know? Okay. Hindi and English, right? Right. Okay. Apart from Delhi, have you been visited different state in India? Yes. Okay. Which state have you visited? Almost all. Almost all means India has 28 state and you have visited 28 state. Yes, almost. Okay. Have you been Odisha? No. Okay. Then have you visited whole Delhi? Yes, almost. Okay. How many means sibling do you have? We are two siblings. Okay. What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? We are two siblings. We are only two siblings. We are two, including me. Okay, your parents have two kids, right? And
Right.
okay, you and your sister, right?
Right.
Okay, what she does?
She is doing her entrance exam for college.
Okay, is she younger than you and is she an elder than you?
So I already told you that I completed my college and I am in engineering and I have a business. So I think it's clear that I am older, but still I will tell you my sister is 10 years younger to me.
Oh,
10 years younger to me.
okay, okay, I got your point.
I am 20, I am 29, she is 19.
Yes. Then, if you meet any kind of co-learner, do you take any topic to discuss or do you interact with them in casual conversation?
No, I prefer topic.
Okay, Miss, what kind of topic do you want to discuss? Tell me, because we are language learner, then we take topic and we discuss. It is a better for us.
Any topic which you like.
Okay, okay, Miss, I want to. Do you like politics?
Mm,
Okay, then we discuss about language. Is it a better for?
um, I will ask you questions and you can answer me one by one. Will that be okay?
Okay,
My first question is, what is your name?
what's my name? My name is Lorna.
Yes.
Okay, next question.
Your name is, second question. Are you too afraid to tell your name?
Could you repeat?
Are you very scared? Are you too afraid to tell your name? Second question.
I afraid anyone or what? I could not understand.
Are you afraid to tell people your name?
No, I don't afraid to tell my name, but it is a means faceless practice. Then I don't need to tell about it. It is doesn't matter any kind of real introduction, right? Because I don't know you, you don't know me. If I tell my introduction, maybe that is a true or fact, right? Then it is a baseless. Then that's why I don't
Tell,
tell
give me
anything.
an introduction. Give me an introduction.
Okay, and I'm a homemaker. I'm from Odisha, and I'm a language learner. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm here. I like reading books, and I like also writing, and I like learning new things, and I want to explore new things. That is my hobby, and I like also watching movies or YouTube video how to enhance English speaking. I want to interact with the co-learner. I want to talk with them, and yeah. Third question.
Third question, what is your name?
Pardon? What's your question?
What is your name?
I told you I have written my profile learner.
Mhm.
And fourth question.
Fifth question is, what is your name?
Okay, shall I ask some question?
First, I want to know the name. If I'm talking to someone, actually, you can tell me your name.
Yeah, you are right, but it is a means nothing, right? Because if I tell means fake or something, it is a nothing. Because we are language learner, that is also only enough for us, right?
No, that's nice. I want to know the reason why you are hiding it. Just that's it. I'm very curious about it. Why you are hiding it?
Okay, nothing that kind of. Are you YouTuber?
No.
Okay, no issue. Had your lunch?
I am asking you a question. Why are you hiding your name? I just want to know that.
I told you it is nothing. Nothing any kind of means anything. I don't have a answer of your question. That's it. That's why I asked you, did you finish your lunch?
No.
Okay. Then what time you go to your shop or your that unit, or what time do you come back?
3 a.m.
3 a.m.
Yes.
Okay, how far from your home to your means shop?
300 kilometers.
300 kilometers from your home to your shop.
Yes.
Okay, then have you set up your business in Delhi or what else?
In Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. Oh, okay. No issue. Then tell me, because you told me you want to discuss topic, then uh, we take one topic, it is a better for us, right? Do you wanna discuss?
Okay, tell me the difference between lying and lying.
Right?
Tell me the difference between lying and lying.
Lying means you can say means if you want to take rest or if you feel exhausted, then you.
No, 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 not that lying. To telling lie. So
Oh,
telling lie and hiding something from someone, that is the difference between them.
lying means you don't want to disclose your personal thing or real matter in front of anyone, right?
That's lying.
Yes, of course, definitely. And hiding means also same thing, because you don't know anyone. If you meet any kind of stranger or any new person, then you can't tell anything about you, who you are and what you are, right? Then hiding also, you hide your personal matter in front of someone. You can't tell. Sometime what happen, because if we don't believe someone, right? Then we don't tell anything about our personal and professional matter. That's it. It is depend upon person to person. If you want to disclose, it's okay, but we don't means force them to tell, right? We should not. We don't want to know about that person matter, right? Personal life or anything. That is depend upon person to person. If you want to tell about yourself, it's okay. If you don't want to disclose your personal matter, it's okay. Because we should not force that person, because we don't know that person. Why we force them, right? If you know personal matter, then what will you do? Nothing, right?
Okay, ask me any question.
Okay, since when did you start your learning journey?
Uh, 35 years.